Today in the episode we are making savory delicious pie. Not a while ago my friend who moved out of town, she shared with me this recipe from her aunt, and it's family recipe. It's so delicious, zucchini pie. This pie so good in hot summer day for lunch, brunch, dinner, or really for breakfast, any occasion, you will like it. It's also keto friendly, doesn't have any grains, flour, any fillers. It's all vegetables and protein and fat, really, and lots of herbs. And for the ingredients, we need zucchini or squash. Either kind can work. And I'm having combination of different color of zucchini from local farm, yellow and green. I love zucchini, and I will link below similar recipe. Not a while ago, I posted cheesy fritter zucchini, delicious. It's so good, and yummy, and perfect appetizer. Also, we need mozzarella cheese, and I'm using this kind, whole milk always. And I recommend to keep a little bit in freezer just for 15-20 minutes before you're going to shred. It just makes it easier to shred it. Also, we need onion, 1 onion, herbs, parsley, oregano fresh, and thyme. This time of the year, garden full of herbs, or you can find substitute if you don't have, use just parsley or whatever herbs you like. 2 eggs, butter, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and original recipe called for sour cream. I'm using crème fraiche because crème fraiche, that's the only sour cream I have in my fridge always. If I need yogurt, I'm using crème fraiche. If I need sour cream, I'm using crème fraiche. If I need cream, I'm using crème fraiche for everything. I love it. And I will link below how to make and many recipes I'm using. If you're watching me regularly, you probably saw this ingredient. Full of it's fermented dairy, it's full of probiotic, good for you, and just easy to handle and easy to work with. We have nice 6 cups of shredded zucchini, and now we need to saute. And what it does, we remove basically the liquid, water, unnecessary water, and also gives a little brown color, which is always nice. Color is always the flavor. No color, no flavor. At about 1-2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. And we are cooking for a few minutes. Nice brown. Add onion, shredded onion, parsley, some oregano. You can use dry oregano if you like. That's so beautiful. Chop your herbs. While the zucchini cooling down, we can add eggs because we'll scramble. So we need to wait a few minutes, and meanwhile the chopped herbs in, it's ready. And seasoning, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and mix. Smells so good. Mozzarella, half cup of sour cream, this is such a rustic recipe, so don't try to be so precise. 1 tablespoon less or more, it's okay. And 2 eggs. Ooh, the color of egg yolk, beautiful. If you don't like shred mozzarella, you can buy ready, obviously, but in my kitchen I do everything from scratch. I don't like to have any additives in my food, and obviously anti-caking, whatever they add, cellulose or who knows what else, I prefer to not eat. But it's up to you. If you try to save 5 minutes, may worth it. And give it a whisk to mozzarella, egg yolks, and sour cream. Oh yes, beautiful color. Now pour all together. Now for 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. Look at this. Aroma, unbelievable. Freshly baked zucchini pie with mozzarella cheese and herbs. It's so smells good. I hardly can wait to cut and try, which is need to cool down. And it's good to serve room temperature as well. So it's nice to bring for potluck, for picnic. It's really good pie to have in your refrigerator, and it's much easier to make than quiche, but serves the same purpose, and it's keto friendly. Look at this, how pretty. Light. Smells so good. Light. I can taste mozzarella for sure. And herbs. And mild taste flavor of zucchini with caramelization, because we did saute before we put in a bacon dish. It has mild flavor and it's very elegant. It's nice with your side of salad and delicious, or even for breakfast. Yummy. I hope you to give it a try this recipe soon. Make for your friends, family, give me a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!